In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store with the Air Product Reviews app and UGC. As we all know, customer reviews are crucial in building trust and driving sales, and this app is a fantastic tool to help you leverage that power. To get started, the first step is to open your web browser and navigate to Shopify. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Shopify dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, take a moment to look around your dashboard. Familiarizing yourself with this area will help in navigating more confidently as we progress with the installation. Next, we need to visit the Shopify App Store. You can do this by either searching for it in the search bar at the top or by clicking on the Apps section in the left sidebar, and then selecting the option to visit the Shopify App Store. This is your go-to place for finding various apps that can expand the functionality of your Shopify store. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar and type in Air Product Reviews, App, and UGC. Hit Enter to see the search results. The Air Product Reviews app and UGC should appear in the results. Please note that this app is specially designed to offer several benefits, such as flexible widgets that allow you to customize the look and feel of the reviews on your store. It also automates the process of requesting reviews from your customers, provides discounts for reviews, and integrates SEO snippets to help increase your store's visibility online. Additionally, the app boasts round-the-clock customer support, ensuring you have help available whenever you need it. Once you've found the app, go ahead and click on it to view more details. Here, you'll see an overview of what the app can do, customer reviews, and other pertinent information that might be helpful before you decide to install it. When you're ready, you'll find an Install button on the page. Clicking this will initiate the installation process. Simply follow the prompts provided, which generally involves granting permissions that the app requires to function effectively on your store. Make sure to take your time to read through any permissions being asked for to ensure you're comfortable with the access the app will have. After the installation is complete, make sure to check your Shopify dashboard to confirm that the app is listed among your current apps. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Air Product Reviews app and UGC on your Shopify store. This addition will significantly enhance your ability to gather, manage, and display customer reviews, giving potential buyers the confidence they need to make a purchase. And there you have it, a simplified and efficient way to use customer feedback to boost your store's performance and credibility. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.